Welcome to Glazed Pottery Studio. My name is Laura. We're introducing our new Glazed Virtual Summer Camp, and I want to tell you a little bit more about it. Each week, we're going to be offering a new project for every age group, from toddlers, elementary age kids, tweens, and teens and up. There's even some fun things for adults. You can order your kit online, right at glazedpotteryct.com. Once you order your kit online, you can pick up curbside or have it shipped directly to your home. Inside your kit, you'll receive all the materials you need to complete your project, including a link to an instructional video. Within this video, you will find step-by-step instructions to complete your project. There'll be a fun doodle challenge, as well as exciting tutorials for new techniques. Every week, we'll be dropping new projects for every age group, so stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can turn on notifications to receive all future videos.